Hey designers, in this video, we'll be creating abstract lines in After Effects. Let's get started. First, take the pen tool and draw a straight line. Remove the fill and add a stroke. For the stroke, let's choose a linear gradient. You can select any colors you like for the gradient, and once you're happy with them, click OK. Set the stroke width to 3. Now, go to the Shape Layer 1 properties. Under Add, choose Wiggle Paths. Open Wiggle Paths options and set the size to around 800. Change the detail to 3 and make sure the points are set to smooth. Set wiggle seconds to 0.5. If it looks too curvy, reduce the detail from 3 to 2. Once you're satisfied with the look, we'll move on to the next step. Now, create a new null object. This null object will hold only a slider control. After creating the null layer, go to Effects and search for Slider Control. Drag and drop it onto the null object. Duplicate the slider control by pressing Ctrl+D. Rename the first slider to speed and the second one to movement. Set the speed value to 0.12 and the movement value to somewhere between 100 and 110. Lock the slider control effect. Next, we'll add an expression to the temporal phase. Hold the Alt key and click on the stopwatch next to temporal phase. Now, type wiggle parenthesis. Now drag the pick whip to link the expression to the speed slider. Then, type a comma, and drag the pick whip again to link it to the movement slider. This will generate the expression for the effect. Select this expression and press Ctrl+C to copy it. Now, close all these options. Press R to bring up the rotation settings, and click the stopwatch next to rotation. Paste the same expression you copied earlier into the rotation expression box. Now you'll see how the abstract lines look. To add more to this effect, we'll apply an echo effect. Go to Effects and search for Echo. Apply it to Shape Layer 1. Set the number of echoes to around 60 and the decay value to 0.95. If you want to enhance the look further, you can duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+D. Then reduce the opacity of the lower layer to around 50. Your abstract lines animation is now complete. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.